If you want to print out your document, then you should first see the print preview of the document that you want to print. So to do that, first of all, here you can see that I got some reports generated. So if you want to view the print preview for that particular report, you can right click on any one of the report right here and then click on print preview right here, just like this. And you go straight onto the print preview just like this over here. Alternatively, you can open up any report right here. So let me just go around and close this and open up the report right here. You can go around onto view right here and then go to print preview from here as well. You can go around onto the bottom hand side right here and access print preview from over here as well, as you can see, or you can go to file right here, go to print right here, and here you can see the print preview option as well, which gets you to the same option right there. So on the printing option over here on the top, you can see that you have an option to print. So if you were to click on this, then it'll actually print out the document. But over here, you can also select out the size of the paper right here. But to take full advantage of the size that you choose, you do have to go back in the layout view and arrange it out. You can change it into a landscape mode or a portrait mode right here. You can work around with columns right here, as you can see as well. But again, if you want to take full advantage of it, then you do need to go to the design view itself. So I'm just going to go around into one column view over here as well. You can also see two-page view if there's multiple pages, or more page view right here if there's multiple pages that you want to preview out as well. So let me just go around over here in size and select out, let's say A4, for example, just like this. So this is not what I want. So I'm just going to go around over here onto letter size right here. So this is how it seems. So I'm going to go around onto the zoom area right here. And I'm going to just say, let's say, for example, say zoom 100%. And this is what you have. So over here, you can see that there's all design and everything. But if you were to click on print data only, then it will remove out all the graphical elements over here and will focus out the printing to the data. But if I were to uncheck this, you got the all designs as well. You can go around into margins right here, set for normal margin or wide margin or narrow margin according to how you like as well. And you can set it up. You can go around onto page setup and set out margin manually as well. So let's say I want 0.2, let's say a margin right there. You can just set that out over here as well from the page setup area. You can also go and set the print data only option from over here as well. So once you go around and do that on the page, you got the same options as you see over here. So there's portrait mode or landscape mode, and you can select out whichever paper size you want as well. So I'm just going to stick to letter right here. And you can see that there's different option right here, and you can use specific printer according to how you like as well. In my case, I'm just not going to print a physical copy of the paper, so I'm just going to keep it to Microsoft Print to PDF, so it actually generates out a PDF file. So over here in columns, you can set the column option from over here as well. So I'm just going to press OK, and now let's say I want to print this. So I'm just going to go around onto the left side and hit the print button. So once I do that, you got the print option, as you can see, and it is set to Microsoft Print to PDF. So I'm going to go around and press OK right here. So I'm going to go to my desktop right here and save this as a sample and press save. So once the printing is done, what happens is that your document will show up like this as a final result in your printer. So that is how you can use the print settings and then print out document from Microsoft Access. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.